This is booty. Just your butt, nothing else really. These are hard moves. They're put together in a way that makes them even harder. So you can do as many rounds as you want to. The first set, you're gonna do 24 hip thrusts in a row. So you need to think about a weight that you can do that with, okay? So right now, that bar that I have right there is 65 pounds. I could probably do it with maybe 85 pounds. But you need to take that into account. You're gonna do some hang cleans. I hate these moves, but they're good moves. And then we'll move on from there. So the first round is hip thrust. You're gonna do B as in boy, B stance hip thrust. So one foot goes kind of in front of the other, so mainly all of the weight is on the one leg that's right there, and I'll show it to you. So you're gonna do 8 on one leg, 8 on the other leg, and then you're gonna put both feet down and do 8 and then you hold the last one. It's to failure, but like 10, 15 seconds, as much as you can. And we'll do that first. So you're going to sit down in front of your box, make sure your back is up against it, roll this onto your hips, okay, get those feet up, okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up, and then one foot, so my left foot is kind of in front here, so all the weight is on my right leg, down, up, down, up. Okay, so after I've done 8 of those, bring your foot back, take the other foot. You can lift up your toe if you want. Still have to keep your hips even though. Don't let the bar go down. Keep your hips even so all that weight is on one side. Then put your feet down together and do 8 even on both feet. Okay? Then roll that off, shake it out for a minute, and do it again. Either do it 2 or 3 times, not just once, okay? Wear your band, the thick band around your knees, okay? That's set number 1. Set number 2 is, I think that's the hang clean set. Okay, so you're gonna do hang cleans with dumbbells. And then you're gonna keep your bar set up because then you're gonna do 10 hip thrusts in between each round of hang cleans. And you're gonna pyramid down even. So you're gonna do 10 hang cleans, 10 thrusts. 8 hang cleans, 10 thrusts. 6, 10, 4, 10, 2, 10. Okay? So hang cleans with dumbbells. Most people do it with a barbell, but since I want you to keep that bar for your hip thrusts. Hang cleans are basically kind of like a clean and press, but there's no press. So you're gonna clean them to your shoulders, hang them there, hence hang cleans, and do a squat. So you're gonna come, bend down, pick it up, and go down, and stand. That's it. So go down, clean it, and press. Clean it, squat, stand up. Okay? So those were 15s for me. That was pretty easy. So try something that you can do. Try it first and see. You're going to do 10 of them, and then you're going to go do 10 of those. And then you're going to come back, like I said, in the pyramid. Okay? Next, you're gonna do a Tabata, 20 seconds of work to 10 seconds of rest. 3 exercises, you're gonna do each move 4 times before you do the next one 4 times. And then you do the third one 4 times, okay? So you're gonna do weighted frog pumps, elevated feet bridges, and donkey kickbacks, okay? So a weighted frog pump, which is going to be a dumbbell on your hips. You put your feet together, weight on your hips, and you go up, down, up, down. You're squeezing your glutes, up, down, gonna do that for 20 seconds, 10 seconds rest. Do it 4 times before you move on, okay? The next one is gonna be an elevated feet bridge. So, I'm gonna show it to you backwards because my box is over here. So, all you're gonna do is sit in front of your box, put your feet. I like to put my feet on the edge, not on top. Put your feet on the edge, get your butt close enough, and you're just lifting up and down, up and down. You can tap the floor, but don't rest on the floor in between, okay? The last one is donkey kicks. If you have ankle weights, put them on. Otherwise, you're gonna do 2 on the right leg, 2 times, 2 20-second times on the right, and then 2 20-second times on the left, okay? Then the 4th set, let me get my head not chopped off. There I am. The 4th set is, this is where you would use the kettlebell or the dumbbell, okay? So I would use the kettlebell. You're gonna do a deficit deadlift to a squat hybrid. Actually, you don't need the deficit. I'll erase that on there. Deadlift to squat times 10. Then you're gonna do 10 swings. And then you're gonna do 5 front load curtsy lunges per leg. So, it's gonna look like this. You're going to take your kettlebell or your dumbbell. This one really you have to have a kettlebell for. So try it with the 20 that you have, okay? You deadlift it down, come up, pop your hands around the side, and squat. You can make it very seamless, or you can separate it like I just did. So seamless would look like this. Pop it down. So you don't pause at the top, okay? So it's a deadlift, up, down, up. So you're gonna do 10 of those, 10 swings, remember back to forward. Then you're gonna front load. So you're gonna hold your kettlebell up here, or your dumbbell, and then you're gonna do 5 curtsy lunges per leg. So that would be 5 staying on one leg. So 5, tap, 4, tap, so on, and then 5 on the other leg. Your butt will burn when this is over, if you have done it correctly, okay? Challenge yourself with the weight. Don't just go through the motions. Mind the muscle, think about your butt.